Today, we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investments. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or unsure about where to begin, you're in the right place. Investing in the stock market can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a rewarding experience. In this video, we'll break down 5 essential tips to help you invest like a pro, even if you're a beginner. We'll cover everything from setting clear goals to navigating market trends. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to start making smart investment decisions. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. It's about making informed choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the secrets to successful stock market investing together. Before you even think about buying your first stock, it's crucial to define your investment goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you aiming for long-term growth to build wealth for retirement? Or are you looking for short-term gains to fund a specific purchase or goal? Knowing your investment horizon and risk tolerance is key. If you have a longer time frame, you might be more comfortable with higher risk investments that have the potential for higher returns. On the other hand, if you have a shorter time horizon, you might prefer more conservative investments with lower risk and potentially lower returns. Defining your goals will guide your investment strategy and help you make choices that align with your financial aspirations. So take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve and how much risk you're comfortable taking on. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." This rings especially true in the world of investing. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Within each asset class, it also means investing in a variety of sectors and industries. This way, if one investment performs poorly, the others can cushion the blow. Think of it like building a strong and stable foundation for your financial future. By diversifying your portfolio, you're creating a safety net and reducing the impact of market volatility on your overall investments. Investing without research is like going on a road trip without a map. You might end up lost and unsure of where you're going. Before you invest in any stock, it's crucial to do your homework. Start by understanding the company you're considering. What do they do? What are their products or services? How strong is their financial health? Look at their revenue growth, profitability, and debt levels. Additionally, consider their market position. Are they leaders in their industry? Do they have a competitive advantage? Understanding these factors will give you valuable insights into the company's potential for growth and success. The stock market is constantly evolving, influenced by factors like economic data, geopolitical events, and industry trends. Staying informed about these trends is essential for making informed investment decisions. Make it a habit to follow financial news, read industry reports, and track relevant economic indicators. This will help you understand the forces that are shaping the market and identify potential investment opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. By staying up to date on market trends, you can make more strategic decisions and potentially capitalize on emerging opportunities. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making calculated decisions for the long term, not getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is letting emotions dictate their decisions. When the market takes a dip, it's easy to panic and sell your investments out of fear. Conversely, when the market is soaring, it's tempting to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive buys. Remember, successful investing requires patience and discipline. Stick to your investment strategy, ride out the market's ups and downs, and avoid making emotional decisions that could derail your long-term goals. I hope these 5 tips have empowered you to approach the stock market with more confidence and clarity. Remember, investing is a journey, and the more knowledge you gain, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and insights. We're here to support you on your investment journey every step of the way. Remember to do your research, stay informed, and most importantly, invest in yourself and your financial future. Happy investing!